gonna shotgun me a beer. Cause we ain't catching no fish, except Brett. Yeah.
How come you look like the greatest fisherman?
Because it's supposed to rain. Now it's gonna get sunny out. Probably get hotter than a bitch out here.
You could have stabbed your penis with that knife.
My penis ain't that long.
Well, he's wasting a half. Well, I mean, he's not gonna have this beer.
So he ain't got a shotgun so damn much.
You have to put a nice hole in it. Then you press it up against your lips and pull the tab, forcing beer down your throat, getting you intoxicated.
Pull!
Wait a minute.
The cap's on wrong.
My cap's on wrong.
Pull! Christ, it's spilling up down your fucking chin.
That's the best part.
Mm-hmm. Poke the hole right here?
Poke the hole right there.
It's gotta be bigger than that.
You have to make a slit.
It's rather careful. Just be careful not to go through the other side or you'll really be in trouble.
Yeah, you'll be in a world of hurt, that's for sure.
Push it against it, push it.
Yeah!
Like that.
Yeah, like that.
Thank God I'm wearing this rain gear.
It's not because it's raining though, it's because he's shotgunning beer.
Okay, you shotgun and you cut your lip on it?
Is the hole nice and round?
Flatten out the edges so you...
Fuck! And it's like, ready?
Beauteous.
Pull!
You feel like you're gonna puke?
I got film up my nose.
Good one! What do you have to say to the folks at home?
Fuck yeah!
Fuck you! Fucking American piece of shit.